Never stop learning, week 327. We're going to take a quick look at variable fonts in Adobe Illustrator CC 2018. All right, so variable fonts is actually a new open type format. All right, and you're going to have access to them in the Creative Cloud with Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and other Adobe applications. So let me show you how they work. Here I've got some text. I'm just going to select my text here. Over on the right in the Properties panel, down towards the bottom, we have this section here for character. All right, so the first drop-down menu is actually going to be the font family. All right, so over here you can actually see that they have a little icon next to it, open type variable. All right, so I'll go with Acumen variable. And just below that, we have another drop-down menu here. It says set font style. All right, so when you click on it, notice you have a huge list of a bunch of different font styles to choose from. All right, so this is one way to work. You go through the entire list. You can see your previews. And then once you find one that you want to work with, click on it, it's activated, and you're good to go. All right, so if you want to modify this, back over here in the character section, down towards the bottom right, you've got these three dots. Click on it for more options. All right, and that's going to bring up the character panel. All right, I'm going to go ahead and dismiss this. Another way to do it is just hitting the Command T keyboard shortcut. If you're going to be on a PC, the keyboard shortcut is going to be Control T. All right, so over here in the character panel, just to the right of the font style, you have this icon here that says variable font. Clicking on that is going to give you access to some new sliders. All right, let's see what they do. The top one says weight, so if we want to reduce the weight, go towards the left, and you could increase it by going towards the right. All right, let's go with width, over towards the right. We're going to stretch it out. Or if you go towards the left, it'll contract. And then slant, if I go towards the right, it's going to start to lean. And I could bring it back. All right, notice over here in the drop-down menu, it shows we're using a custom font setting. All right, so if I bring these sliders all the way towards the left, now it's going to change from custom to extra condensed thin. So again, it's just two different ways to work with it. If you prefer the sliders, just use this little icon over here for variable font. Or if you just want to go from the list and choose your different previews, come over here to this drop-down menu, pick one, activate it, and you're good to go. Now, if you choose a different font, you're going to have access to different sliders. This time, I'm going to go with Minion Variable Concept. All right, over here, I'm going to click on Variable Font. At the top, we have Weight. Notice this time I only have access to two sliders. But this one over here on the bottom, this is a new slider. This one's different. This one says Optical Size. All right, I'll come over here to the right, and then to the left. Once it looks good, I'll hit Enter, and I'm set. So there you have it, folks. That's a quick look at variable fonts in Adobe Illustrator CC 2018.